How to bookmark using Google Chrome. The shortcut key is press on Ctrl on your keyboard and D, as in letter D. At the same time, to bookmark a tab or a web page and press done. On your Android device, all you need to do is press on the three dots and press on the star icon. Then you can save it in mobile bookmarks or even change the folder. Now, if your Android device is synced to your Google account, then the bookmarks will be available both on your Android device as well as your Google Chrome on your laptop or desktop. Now, the three dots on Google Chrome on a desktop device, we can press on the three dots and go to Bookmarks and Lists, and then select Bookmark Manager. Here's all the bookmarks that you will bookmark. Also, while here, you can actually right click and you can copy the bookmark if you want. You can add new folder as your bookmarks grow, and it's actually a better way to manage your bookmarks. Let's imagine your favorite websites. You can create a folder. You can press on the folder, move it up and down so you have it, let's say, here, or you can move it to the left, to the right, and so on. And let's say I want to bookmark this, press on Ctrl D, and here I can press on the folder. I can select, choose another folder, and let's say favorite website, and press save. Then that tab, as in that web page, will be available within that folder. This is how you bookmark in Google Chrome. Once again, shortcut key is Ctrl plus D and press done. To manage your bookmarks, press on the three dots, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and select Bookmark Manager. As I've said, you can actually arrange them, create different folders. You can actually manually add bookmarks as well. Let's select that option, add new bookmark, and let's say a website name. The URL is this here, the address in the address bar. That is the Uniform Resource Locator. And select, as in add the bookmark manually. With the tabs, I can actually move them up and down according to your preference. Okay? That is how you bookmark using Google Chrome. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.